Hey, what's up traders? Welcome back to Traders Room South Africa, the best trading channel in the country. If it is your first time on the channel, make sure that you do hit the subscribe button down below. If it is not your first time on the channel, guys, thank you for tuning in and watching, man. So today we are at the gym right now. We decided to pick up the camera again and vlog. You know, today I actually do have the mic because, you know, the previous two vlogs, man, we were just vlogging, but today we have the quality audio. So traders, right now, I am in a trade. I will show you the trade right now, but I want to talk about the free 14-day program that we've been running, you know. So for the past 2 weeks, you know, you guys haven't had a video because we've been channeling our energy onto the 14-day free program. And bro, it's been crazy, man. You know, we've been hosting sessions every single week, and yeah, man, the people have been getting so much value. I'm sure some of you who are watching are part of the 14-day free program, and there are people who did register and sign up who have the recording. So yeah, man, it's been a hectic 2 weeks of teaching and all of that. But before we go into the gym, I want to show you guys trades that we are in right now. You know, let me actually screen record. So right now we are in US30 buys. The market's looking super clean, and today actually, you know, we had a profitable week throughout the week, and you know, we were catching trades, but we didn't record. So I wasn't planning on trading today, but I just decided to actually pick up the camera and record. Today I am trading my Rand account because I didn't have an intention of trading, but we did catch a beautiful trade on US30. If you look on the 1 hour time frame, it's going up, it's bullish. So yeah, man, I'm gonna be updating you throughout. You know, it's a simple day in the life. Actually ended up signing up for the gym, so let's not waste time and let's get it, guys. Right now we're floating 6.2, and let's see how much we can make for the day. Let's hit a gym session. There's us behind the camera. Say shout out to the people. Shout out, man.
One time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, 'cause I notice how this.
He's still floating around 7, you know, 6.9, but let's hit the gym, bro. Let's hit a session. You know, this year we're trying to focus on like our health as well. Besides the trading thing, you know, we just need to make sure that all aspects and part of our lives are well balanced and, you know, go in the right direction. But let's cook, let's go gym, man.
Woo! Yeah, I got money on my phone and money on me. I got all these hoes, but still lonely. They've been blowing on that strong, but still so weak. I've been higher than a drone, but still.
All right, traders. So it's currently almost 2:30. I won't lie, bro. Like, this session is smacking. These weights are just killing us. It's even starting to rain outside, which is crazy. But just a quick update on the trade right now. Currently, we're literally just about to hit 10K in profit, you know.
Jackson, Aaron Rodgers with the quick routes. How much the gang
So here's the update. Let me actually screen record for you guys so that you can see. All right, traders. So just looking at the screen recording right now, we are currently floating. But this morning, let's go to the account history, right? So this morning we actually did fund 2K, and we did try enter these trades. So what ended up happening is that US30 actually made a retracement, and then it did stop us out. But I think we were confident in the setup, and right now you can see that it has resulted in profit floating right now. So we're almost towards the New York session. I'm gonna finish up here in the gym. And yeah, later on we're gonna talk about the 14-day free program, man. A lot of people gained a lot of value. Towards the end of the video, you're gonna see a lot of testimonials because we only took 25 traders, man. It was a success. Today we're doing the last session. But yeah, man, let's go on with the gym, continue. So yeah, traders, so sometimes you should just let the trades run and, you know, not always be on the market and just staring at the market. You know, you guys need to sometimes go out, go to the gym, get that exercise in. Let the trade run. At the same time, monitor the trade. You know, that's what we've been doing here at the gym, just monitoring. And we do have our targets, right? So I'm gonna continue gymming, do a little workout, and then yeah, man, we'll see you guys whenever we close or whenever the next update is. Peace, and yeah, man, let's enjoy the session. And yeah, we're almost done.
On my toes, I keep some coffee. I ain't paying for no hoe. You niggas know me. I'm about to body the beat. I keep me a hottie with me. She wanna for a fee. for free. Keep me some money on me. Smoking the gas, keep. You with me, sheesh. Bonito, cheap, keep. I got money on my phone and money on me.
Alright traders, so it's raining right now. We literally finished the gym session. US30 is pushing up towards our target, man. Just look at this.
We're gonna close, yeah.
We're gonna close, man. So let's actually go to a lower time frame just to see. Let me take a screenshot for the sake of the Telegram and our 14-day program members. 16 bands. I think I'm gonna close. Yeah, man, this is literally still pushing up, man. Just gonna close slowly. I think the best feeling is just like closing trades as they're pushing up, man. There's no better feeling. Let me close fast. Fast. We don't want mistakes, eh? But let me close, man. Let's close. This is just part of the process. And one more. One last one. Clean, man. 16.8. Profit for the day, 12.7. Nice, man. Real account. I'm satisfied and happy, man. Let's go get food. We're done with the gym. We're gonna go get food. And then, yeah, man, we're gonna chop it up with y'all. And then, yeah, man, I think we can go. All right, traders. So we're literally done with the gym. Right now we're at the mall, at a restaurant. We're at Doppio Zero, trying to get like something healthy, man. I think because we're hosting later on today, there's no time to go back home to prepare food. That's gonna take some time. We just want to prepare for the people, but just ordered a coffee freezer. Those who follow me on my personal Instagram know that I can't go anywhere without a coffee freezer. So we're gonna get a little coffee freezer. There's at the back. He wants pizza, bro. Like this, you literally just hit a gym session and he wants pizza. That's crazy, man. What are you gonna order?
I don't know.
You don't know?
But I'm hungry.
Bro, I'm hungry. Like we need to eat like real men, man. We made profit this week.
We don't always do it.
Yeah, we made profit this week, but you know, we don't always like spend our money on restaurants. It's just here and there, just to reward ourselves. And in this instance, we need to go back home and prepare. So there's not a lot of time to actually make food at home. So I'm gonna look for something healthy. And yeah, man, we're gonna place a withdrawal. If you guys saw, as we were leaving the gym, we closed profits nicely. So let me grab my phone and actually place a withdrawal before it switches off, right? So I am on 6%, man. So if you guys see the overall balance over here, 16.8. This is where it stopped us out in the morning, but it's okay. And then we just made a recovery, and then yeah. So just gonna withdraw everything. And oh guys, look at the exit, dog. The exit was so perfect. And yeah, man, we were trading a rand account this time. You know, we usually trade dollar, but this Friday we decided let's fund our rand account. And bruh, the exit was so perfect, man. You know, that's why sometimes we just leave before. Okay, that was a payment that went through. If you see right over here, man, the exit was just so perfect. And literally after we left, look at this drop, man. So that's why it's really important sometimes just to take profit, be happy, and it's important to know your sessions, right? We literally left as New York session was crossing over from the London session. So without doing a lot of talking, I'm gonna place a withdrawal. Wait for the food, my mouth is even dry right now, but let me place a withdrawal. And yeah. All right, traders, so just got my coffee freezer. You know, this is an essential, but just to show you guys the withdrawal before my phone switches off, right? You can see I am on 2%, you know, so I am gonna just screen record right now and show you guys the withdrawal. So if you do see the account, it's on 0 Rand 84 cents. I didn't withdraw the 84 cents. And then if you do look at the account history, the first deposit that we lost, and then the trade history from the previous trade, and if you look at the withdrawal, guys, 16,830, man. Beautiful trading day. But you know, just as well, just to show you the exit, man, this was a beautiful exit. If you just see where we left these trades compared to where the market is right now, it was just a beautiful time to exit, during that transition of New York and the London session. But traders, let me stop screen recording. We're gonna eat, enjoy the food, and then go back home just to teach the people for the last day. Man, these lessons have been really valuable, and we will drop a few testimonials just to get, the opinion from the group, just some people share how this has been impactful. But yeah, traders, thank you so much for 90,000 subscribers. We are about to hit 100K, man. Tell me in the comment section if you guys really like these videos where we're giving you value. I think the main purpose for this channel, besides showing you the money and the profit, is to inspire you guys and basically show you that it is possible making an income from trading. Obviously, personally, we are planning on just scaling this thing to a whole new level, because we have personal goals. But regardless of the situation you're in, whether you're broke right now, whether it's tough at home, whether you lost your job or whatever situation you're in, just know that through trading and just applying the right mindset, when you trade and the right intention, bro, like things can totally change, we've been able to live off of this thing and obviously our other streams of income, social media and all of that. But guys, with trading, it is possible. And yeah, man, we're gonna eat, wait for the food, and then later on go teach our people for the last day. To be honest with you, for many years, man, we haven't been providing any sort of services or mentorship or signals because it hasn't been our thing like that. But it feels good teaching people and knowing that in the next few months, in the next 3 months, 6 months, someone can basically come back to us and say, yo, bro, the 14-day free program really changed our lives. Now we are able to provide for our family, just sort of those sort of things, achieve my personal goals. So man, that's why we do it for y'all, because if you guys hadn't subscribed to the channel, we wouldn't be here, so really appreciate it. I'm gonna eat. Thank you for tuning in, and yeah, man. Withdrawal. We'll see when the withdrawal comes later on. Maybe within an hour it will come. But yeah, we'll show you the withdrawal. But man, can't wait to teach the people tonight. If you were part of the 14-day free program, just comment down below. And then, yeah, bro, just comment down to say I was here. And then, yeah, peace. Yeah, we just started recording, but thank you for joining the last day of the 14 days.
Super excited about this one. Let's go, man.
Yeah, so this one is exciting because now we're piecing. This is the last piece of the puzzle, man.
To the entries and to everything we've been teaching, you know what I mean? And this is the part that you gatekeep, When they ask you how do you get your entries, this is the part where we just need 14 of you guys. You know what I mean? I think it has been a super long 14 days for everyone. The reason why we want, you guys to share some feedback is because we want to know if what we're teaching has had an impact. We also want you guys to share because, you guys sharing your stories might just impact somebody else and might just, inspire someone else to actually lock in and focus on what we've taught, right? So the first person we are going to take for tonight's call, before we give you guys the entries, we are going to take a few hands and we're going to start with DK, man.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much, gents.
Awesome.
Well, for me, the market used to have power over me. So it'll always be an emotional thing, a mindset thing. So I'd always react too emotional. If I'm seeing something, I'm like, let me go for it now. Let me go for it now. But ever since you guys taught me about mindset, about everything, I'm the one who has power over the market. So now I can confidently wait for the right opportunity. And if there's no opportunity, I just chill. And then when I find the opportunity, I go for it. So thank you so much, gents. I'm so confident. Even now, if someone asks me, what do you do? I confidently say I'm a forex trader. I no more shy away and have to lie. I confidently own this thing. So thank you so much.
Beautiful. For you, what's been a constant battle and what for you is making a difference?
Number one, psychology. like I've learned what you guys said, that like psychology is the biggest part of trading. So number one, psychology. Number two, I was having a strategy that works, but then I started doubting myself. Then I took in too much unnecessary information on YouTube. Then I ended up confusing myself.
Mm.
You know,
That's
but since the
wow.
15 day, now my mind is so much sober. Now I'm calm, I'm confident, I'm relaxed.
Thank you so much, DK. That was a beautiful story. Glad that there's progress within your trading.
Yeah, so next we'll go for Barondi SA. You can unmute, brother.
Yeah, first things first, man. I just wanted to say you guys didn't have to do all of this, you know what I'm saying? Like you could have just kept the information to yourselves and things like that, you know. So I know I'm speaking for everyone else when I say like we really appreciate what you guys are doing, you know what I'm saying? Like especially even teaching us about like psychology and things like that, you know what I'm saying? Like me personally, I'd overcomplicate this whole trading thing, you know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? You guys made me realize like it's not, you don't have to complicate it, you know what I'm saying? Like people really overcomplicate this thing, you know, me included, but yeah, it just really helped my psychology, man, you know what I'm saying? Like yeah, man.
I feel you, dog. I feel you, dog, for real, man. Appreciate it, man. Beautiful stuff, man. That's really dope to hear. Thank you so much for sharing. Next we'll go for Renelwe. And yeah, man.
Sure, gents, how are you guys?
We good on yourself?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Yeah, I'd like to appreciate everything that you guys have done since from day one, you know. Speaking from like the technical analysis, to be honest, you guys have made things easy because now I used to do SMC, smart money concept, or when we used to be like break of structures, change of characters, 15-minute ranges and stuff. So finding entries, it was a bit difficult because mole, it was a thing of you have to wait for like a perfect setup, stuff like that. And then the way you guys showed us it, like it made it more simple. It's like 4 hour, you know, for it you draw your trend line. I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday. Yeah, things that you guys taught us. I took trades, make it back tester, and like yeah, win rate ratio was improving because like I think it was 20% win rate ratio. Then yesterday back testing, yeah, improved by about 40%. So I see improvement for me coming from
Wow.
my side.
Wow.
I'm
So
not
yeah,
even done with the rest of it, bro.
Beautiful
yeah,
stuff, man.
yeah,
Beautiful,
yeah,
man. That's powerful right there, man. That's powerful.
yeah,
It is a constant journey. It's just the
yeah.
beginning of it or the continuation of it. Thank you so much for sharing. I think we will take one more. We'll take Leslie.
Good evening, guys. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Loud and
sir.
clear, bro.
Okay, thank you, and good evening to all the other guys in the group. Uh, Firstly, I think on my side, I would say psychology has always been like a setback for me. I'm one person who who really strives on perfection, and I've noticed that it doesn't really work. You just need to keep things simple. So I think I was glad that you guys actually had to start with the psychology part. And second thing, I think to take up on the technical side, I think I was glad about the strategy that you guys are using. Like the previous guy who was speaking just now, SMC sometimes can like really,
Yeah.
take a lot of time for you to actually, get your setup. But with your guys' setup, I think for me it made a whole lot of things easier. So now it actually makes sense to really say, you know what, this is actually where I need to get my entry. And at
Nice.
least now you can relax knowing that you are on an impulsive leg. So for me that, it was just an eye opener for me as well. So yeah, I'm glad guys that you are doing this for us.
Man, beautiful stuff. Really happy to hear that. I saw DK in the chat saying he relates so much to that. And yeah, man, it is a constant progress or process. And yeah, man, thank you guys so much for sharing your stories. And thank you for opening up and just sharing once again.
Yeah. Who's ready?
Who's ready for the lesson, man?
The
Come
last
on.
piece of
The
the
last
puzzle,
piece of the
man.
puzzle to get them entries, man. Let's get a 2 in the chat, man. Who's excited for this one, man? I'm excited for
I'm
this
excited
one.
too.
I've been
man.
waiting for this one, bro.